Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in. Today's recipe, I am sharing with you how to make the perfect bread buns. In a bowl, I will add sifted flour, sugar, baking powder, salt. I'll grate in nutmeg. And mix the dry ingredients together. Add margarine, you can use butter as well. I'll mix until everything is well combined. In another bowl, I'll add egg, milk, vanilla extract. Whisk them together. All ingredients should be at room temperature. Add the wet ingredients to the dry ones. I'll mix until a dough is formed. If the dough is hard, you can add a little bit of water. The dough shouldn't be too hard and it shouldn't be too soft. It should just be in between. And once it's nice and smooth, cover and leave it to rest for 10 minutes. 10 minutes later, I'll transfer the dough to a work surface. And divide the dough into two. I'll work with half at a time. Flour the work surface. I'll place the dough, sprinkle a little bit of flour on it, and flatten it. The thickness of the dough should be about half an inch. Roll the dough. I'll brush the end of the dough with water to seal it. And I'll pinch with my finger to seal it properly. This will prevent it from opening when frying. Sprinkle a bit of flour on it. Gently flatten the dough without putting pressure on it. I'll flip and repeat the process. Next, cut the dough. And this is what the cut dough looks like. I'll remove and repeat the process with the other half of the dough. And that is done. In a pan, I'll add oil and start heating it up. I'll check the oil temperature with a skewer. Once you see the skewer fry, that means the oil is hot. Add the dough and fry on medium heat. I'll give it a gentle stir. When they are fried on one side, flip them to the other side to fry as well. The bread buns is ready when they are golden brown. Just look at how beautiful they look and they smell amazing. I'll remove them from the hot oil and transfer them to a strainer. And I will repeat this process with the rest of the dough. What do you call these snacks in your area? Serve and enjoy. You can enjoy them any time of the day. Make these snacks for your kids and they will love it. They tasted absolutely delicious, crunching outside and soft inside it. Thank you all so much for watching. Remain blessed and I will see you in my next video. Bye.